Hi everyone, I am back. The craft fairy is here. It's just my hands today. I look an absolute mess and I don't think it would be right for you to see me on camera because you'll be horrified. I do have some freebies. Everything has been packed up and posted out, and well, the last ones are being collected tomorrow. And I think I've got 2 ladies that I'm still waiting. I've just sent the postage through, so you'll get that. So I only have 2 outstanding. It did take me longer. So I think what I'm going to have to do, I won't be able to post every day. I'm just going to have to do them when I can, because Santa wouldn't loan me any helpers. He's so mean. I know it's the busy time of year right now, but I asked for a couple of helpers and he said, "No, Chanel, you haven't been a good girl." I think I have. So I think he needs to review my case, but we'll see about that. Okay, let's get on to the freebies and let me show you what we have today. Oops. So I know it's funny not doing it on camera the other way. So okay, I have some napkins. Now some of you out there will do crafting with napkins, so I've put together a collection of napkins for you. So we have these lovely gorgeous princesses, fairy princesses, Disney princesses I should say. So you have the 4 there and it's doubled, so that's the fairy ones. Got these beautiful flower napkins. Now some of you out there collect napkins, so this would be great. Some birdie napkins, gorgeous flowers again, and leaves. These I used on a video on my pebbles when I was decorating my pebbles. And then we have these toucans. Look how gorgeously bright these napkins are. Look how beautiful they are. Look, I must admit, I started to sort of collect them and I thought, oh my god, I don't need 30 of each, so that's why I've split them. And then we have these gorgeous ones here, which they're very thick. They're like posh napkins. Posh napkins, I say. So look, oh, the wrong way around. And that has got lovely little butterflies and flowers, and it's just gorgeous. So there's those napkins for anyone who does work crafting with napkins. And I also have some tissue paper. So there's just a few, that's a whole brand new pack there of tissue paper and these pieces there. So for those of you that, it's the same sort of thing as napkins really, you can use them for that. I have 3 packs of letters. Now these are stickers, these ones. These are just gold letters. And then we have these, I think there's 2 sheets. These are gorgeous. Look at these. These are really, it's like chipboard. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, there you go. And then on the other side you've got the numbers as well. And this is a really nice hard chipboard thick set. And then I have another, I think there's 2 sheets of these stickers, maybe stickers, I'm not sure. Yeah, they're cardstock stickers, so they're letters again. So there's those 3 packs of letters. I have, oops, no, remember the containers are not included because of postage. There's some lovely gorgeous flowers that I've made long time ago. My goodness me, this is when I first, oh my gosh, I've had these flowers like I do not know how long. One of my first dies that I got actually from it was a TV channel that I watched. They're who started this. Oh, I used to watch them all the time. What was it? I can't remember the channel now, but you had these lovely dies to make these gorgeous flowers. So there are quite a few of these flowers here, and then there's these just bits and pieces of flowers. Another flower there, and another gorgeous flower there, some little baby flowers. There's all sorts in here, so just a collection of flowers and petals and things. There's even some fabric ones in there, look, as well. So they would be gorgeous for you to get your mitts on. So there's those flowers. I'll put them in a bag, don't forget. All you have to do is pay postage. These items are free. Oh, interesting. Somebody might like these, you Halloween buffs out there. These are like cake toppers that I made, Halloween cake toppers, and so I thought somebody might be able to make use of these fun little fellas. There's quite a few in there. I don't know how many there are actually. There's quite a few, I tell you. I think that one's fell off, obviously. That one must go on there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 of those Halloween decorations. Right, now this is very interesting, and I've never used this, but I think I've used it once. If I can get it out of the bag. Okay, so this is you fasten your stamp. Now there's 3 stamps that go with this. You can see the flowers that goes on there, and this one is butterflies and flowers, and you roll it so it goes across like in a big strip across your work. I think that's actually broken off, so I'm not sure if this stamp on here is any good. You can get ink refills for this, but I haven't really used it, so if anybody wants this, it wasn't cheap because I bought these stamps separately as well, and I have actually got an ink refill somewhere. If I get to find it before I do the posting, I'll put it in, but good luck with that one. And you just literally pop this out to change, she says. You just pop that out, and then you pull this like that, and then right, I'm not going to break it. You pull those out, and then you unclip that and take this off. Oops. But I'm sure there's a video on YouTube for that. So if anybody wants that, knows what it is, and would want that and the 2 stamps. Actually, there's 3 stamps, but I don't know if the one on it is any good. I don't know. Right. I'm rummaging around in my bag of goodies. Oops. Just put all this stuff over there. Get all this out. You see, I had it already in my bag, and come on, Chanel, get with it. Right, I think that is it for the... Oh, no, no, no. We've got more in here. I've got these absolutely gorgeous. Just put them to one side. Okay, right, now let me put these to one side first. Those and those. So we have these absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous teddy bear stamps. Now look how lovely they are. Look. Now there's 4 of those, 5 of those, and 4 of those. Now, if there's more than one of you that wants them, what I shall just do is just split them into 2 packs. Right, one of you will get 3 big and 2 little. One will get 2 big and 2 little. So if just one person wants them, you can have them all. Look how absolutely adorable. These are not even funny. They're just so absolutely cute. Look at these. Just so flipping cute. And then you've got these ones, just too cute. So we have those. Then I have oh, this is just a pain, this putting this on here. 5 Stampin' Up stamps. I think I can, I think I can, I think I can, I think I can. Everything will be okay. Just give me some time. I knew you could. And have it, eat it, do it all. So there's a set of Stampin' Up stamps. I have also some more rubber stamps here. This way I think it is a very cute stamp. It says relax and enjoy your day, and it's got a Union Jack stiletto and a brush cut. That's a gorgeous stamp. Love that stamp. And then we have this mulberry wood. I have used it, but it's still fine. It's this cute dog with the puss cat, and oops, it just says sending you a birthday wish for a year that's as amazing as you. Happy birthday. Have the best day ever. And then I have this little pack of just flower stamps. So, and one more stamp, put them to there, which is this gorgeous flower and lovely border flower as well. So there's those. I do have some more Project Life cards that I found as well. So there's 2 packs of those. And, oh, there's another one there. So there's actually 3 packs of those. And then I have found this box of wooden bits and pieces. And there's a flower, a gingerbread man, a heart, another flower, a baby carriage, and I think this says baby, B-A. Oh, I know it was. I was going to do a baby card with the carriage and baby on it, so they go together really lovely. And then you've got these lovely stick tags, which just for you, I think they all say. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's 10 of these like stick tag things that you can add to your cards. So there's those. Remember, no container though. I am not putting that container in. Way too heavy. So let me just put these back in my safe place so that I can see what else I've got here. Right, okay, so I also found some elastic. Whoever can use elastic, I do not know, but there's a really quite big thick piece of elastic there, very thick elastic. So if you need elastic, you know where to go. So let me just fold this up. And then I have a stack of, now these are just papers. They're really thin, nice papers they are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and a half by, my brain won't work then, 6 1/4, about 5 1/2 by 6 1/4, and there's a nice stack of different coloured papers there. Really nice quality they are. And there's some just cream, more blue, some cream. Great for the inside of your cards, and that's what I had them for. So there's a lovely stack of coloured paper there. there's more, there's more. Okay. Then I have a big stack of coloured cards. Now these are big sheets. They're not quite A4. They are 7.5 by 9.25. And they're the similar colours as that's here, but there's a lot here, so I can I can split this. Look at that lovely blue, that's gorgeous, into look at that, like olive green. Oh, I like that a lot actually. Oh, that's hang on a minute, that's paper, that's like really thin paper, but then this is, it is paper, but it's thicker. It's just thicker than the other. It's quite nice, waxy kind of feel. So this is lovely. I do. Chanel, why are you giving this away? It's gorgeous. Too late now. It's on camera. Can't take it back. Right. Okay. So we have those as well. And I think the last thing for today, if I can find them. I do have a paper stack, which is just some really pretty cardstock. It's beautiful, look. Roses, lace, polka dots. Oh, that's pretty. So we have this paper stack here. Oh, that's nice. What's that say? Life, pearls, lace, attic, vintage, shabby, butterfly. Oh, I don't know, all different words on there. So there is that paper stack as well. So that is the video for today. Hopefully I'll be able to find some more stuff for tomorrow. I don't need to find it. I've got stuff for tomorrow. It's just whether I have time to get on and do the video. So that is today's freebies, and hopefully I'll be back tomorrow. If not, we'll start Monday afresh and get back on track. So lots of goodies here anyway. If you want any of them, just email me what it is that you would like, and then if it's available, obviously it's all yours. So have a lovely, lovely day, and I shall speak to you all later. Bye.